In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to block someone on Microsoft Teams. We all know that effective communication is key to successfully working in a team, but sometimes it becomes necessary to block someone to maintain harmony and productivity. I'll guide you through the process step by step, making sure you can follow along easily. Let's start by heading over to the Microsoft Teams website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Microsoft Teams, or simply go directly to the Teams website. Once there, you'll notice the sign-in option prominently displayed in the top right corner. Click on it to begin the process. Next, you'll need to sign in with your Microsoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create it first to proceed. Enter your credentials carefully, your email or phone number followed by your password. Once successfully signed in, you'll be taken to the main dashboard of Microsoft Teams. Now, the next step is to navigate to the Chat section. This is where you can find all your recent chats, contacts, and other communications. Here, you'll want to locate the specific contact that you wish to block. Scroll through your list of conversations or use the search feature to find them more easily. Once you've found the contact you intend to block, right-click on their name or the chat window. A context menu will appear with several options. Look for and select the block option from this menu. This action essentially tells Teams that you no longer wish to receive direct communications from this individual. It's worth noting that this will not affect your participation in team chats or group meetings with this person. It simply stops them from messaging you directly. After you've clicked on Block, a confirmation pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. This is a safety feature to ensure you don't block someone unintentionally. Carefully review your choice and click on Block once again to finalize the process. And there you have it. You've successfully blocked a contact in Microsoft Teams. This straightforward procedure helps in maintaining a peaceful work environment and ensures that you aren't distracted by unnecessary or unwanted communications. While blocking can be a helpful tool, it's always a good idea to address any ongoing issues with colleagues or team members constructively whenever possible. Thank you for following along. I hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more useful tips on navigating Microsoft Teams and other software tools. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Happy teaming and see you in the next video.